Buhay sa Amerika. This weekend, may snowstorm na naman and hanggang 8 inches, bordering 10 inches ang snow this weekend. Grabe. Tignan mo. What I'm doing this morning is I'm shoveling a path for my small dog, Taco, because he is being swallowed by all the snow. And I feel bad because he can't even go potty. So yeah, nagagawa tayo ng path for him. Okay, so may path na tayong nagawa for our small dog Taco. Kasi kaninang pinalabas ko sila kaninang umaga. Oh my god. This is his foot track. Look. The snow was up to his chest. It covered his legs, guys. Oh, George figured out his pat. Look. Come on, Taco, look. See, you have a pat. Look, Taco, come here, follow me. Follow me, boys. See, do you like your pat? See? Let's go make coffee inside. Forgot we put this in our garage. Yan yung aso namin. Si George at si Taco yung mali. Oh, grabe. Go potty. Come on, let's go. Let's go potty. Let's go potty out here. Look, Taco, come on. Come on, Taco, look. You have a potty spot now. See? After breakfast, we headed down to the basement to start a fire, keep the basement warm, and then after this, shortly after this, we're watching K-pop Demon Hunter. Leo wanted to finally go outside and play in the snow, so that's what we're gonna do. Ito ako palabas sa front door namin. Grabe, ang lamig.